Snowy, did you hear that sound?
It's a bird, man. It sounds like it's calling for help.
Let's go, my friend.
Don't be afraid, little one. I will help you. Place it here, Frozy. I will keep it warm. Here you go. Rest and feel the warmth. Sometimes love is the strongest warmth of all. You're safe now, little one. You'll fly again.
Every kind act brings new life.
Look, Snowy. It's flying. Our love gave it wings. Look, Frozy. The bird came back. Every kindness finds its way home. Helping with love is the greatest gift of all. Because love, like the sun, warms everyone.